Now, the bus conductor dashed the passengers. Now, this is very important. Yeah, this question, I've seen it in Uni Abuja Post UTME past questions, and I treated it last year. Okay, that's why I said you should check my other videos. Today, I'm going to be looking at past questions from ESUT, okay, Ekiti State University, ESUT. If Ekiti State University is not a post university, I hope you know that use of English is the same, okay, and you can see similar questions in your own exams, okay. So it's important to watch the video, whether ESUT is your prospective university or not. It's important to watch the video to the end, okay, because the questions I'm considering today are not peculiar to ESUT, okay. I've seen similar questions in other universities, so it's important to watch the video to the end to get the knowledge that I'm going to be sharing in this video, so you can answer similar questions in your own exam, okay, in your own school's exam, okay. Now, the bus conductor dashed the passengers. Now, this is very important. Yeah, this question, I've seen it in Uni Abuja Post UTME past questions, and I treated it last year, okay. That's why I said you should check my other videos. The bus conductor dashed the passengers haphazardly yesterday. We have option A, sit, B, sat, C, seated, and D, sighted, okay. And most of you will choose sat, but it is wrong, okay. Sat is wrong. Sat is the past tense of sit, okay. Now, the conductor directed people to sit down, okay. It directed people to sit down. So I hope you know 88 is sit, okay. It's like a chair, it means a chair, but when used as a verb, okay, the present tense is sit, the past tense and the past participle are seated, okay, seated. You just add ed, seated, when you sit as a verb. For example, the teacher seated the students outside the class. It means the teacher directed the students to go sit outside the class. The teacher made the students sit outside the class. So I've used the word sit here as a verb. I hope you understood it, okay. Okay, the conductor seated, he directed them to sit, okay. He made them to sit. He seated the passengers haphazardly yesterday. So option C is the correct answer. Now the next question, cited, is also not correct, okay. Cite, to cite something, to situate something, is also incorrect. Now let's see the next question. Most traders here deal dash perishable food items. Most traders here deal dash perishable food items. We have option A, with, B, on, C, for, and D, in, okay. Now the correct answer is in, okay. Option D, in. I've heard people say she deals on, or the man deals on electronics, okay. Is deals in, okay. He deals in, she deals in, you deal in, not deal on, okay. When you're talking about doing business, okay, when you're talking about doing business or selling something, you use deal in, not deal on, okay. To deal with something means to tackle the situation, to address a situation, okay. So it's not correct. So the right expression is deal in, not deal for, okay. Deal in, option D. Now the next question, question 8. Hassan asked if Ola could dash him his pen. Hassan asked if Ola could dash him his pen. Now this question is very simple, okay. Even my child in nursery school can answer this question, okay. Hassan asked if Ola could dash him his pen. Option A, borrow, B, lend, C, lease, and D, rather, rent, okay. Lend is the correct answer. You don't say borrow, okay. You don't say borrow me your pen, okay. You can say, can I borrow your pen? When you're making a request in form of a question, okay, you can say, can I borrow your pen, okay. Can I borrow your pen is correct, but you cannot say borrow me your pen, okay. Borrow me your pen. You can say lend me your pen, not borrow me. If I'm the one who has the pen and you're asking me to lend you my pen, okay, I can lend you my pen, okay, and you are borrowing my pen from me. You are the one who is borrowing and I am the one who is lending, okay. So that is it. Option B is the correct answer. Now the next question, 9. The nursery school was dashed in 1993. We have finded, B, found, C, founded, and D, find. Okay. Now, when talking about starting an institution, starting an organization, okay, you say founding, founding. Okay. I want to found a school. I want to found an organization. I want to, to found, to start an organization, to start an institution. Okay, found. Now, the past tense of found is founded. Okay, founded, founded. The word found is also used as the past tense of the word find. Okay, is a homonym. Okay, is a homonym. Option B, found, is incorrect. Okay, because we're talking about something that was done in the past. Okay, so founded is in the present. Okay, when I'm talking about starting an institution or starting an organization, option C, like I said, is a correct answer, and option D, find, is incorrect. Okay. The next question 10. I saw a woman holding dash. I saw a woman holding dash. Okay, now this question is very simple. If you watched my video, if you're my subscriber and you've watched most of my videos, and if you were in my jam class, okay, this question should be a very easy one for you. The cosascon, a mnemonic. The cosascon is what you're going to use to answer this question. Okay, the cosascon is what you're going to use to answer this question. What is the cosascon? For those of you who just discovered my channel, okay, now the cosascon is a special mnemonic that I developed for my students to help them understand and remember how to answer questions on arrangement of adjectives or adjectives order. Okay, when they have questions on adjectives order, which is very popular in jam, was and posting past questions. Okay, when you have questions on adjectives order, okay, use mnemonic the cosascon. Okay, the cosascon. If you want to watch the video on arrangement of adjectives, please let me know at the comment section. The cosascon, okay. D means determinant. Okay, Q, quantity. O, opinion. S, size. A, age. S, shape. C, color. O, origin, and N, which is noun. Okay, now the cosascon is a formula or the mnemonic you're going to use to answer this question. Okay, now we have option A, a brown thick bag, leather bag. A thick big brown leather bag. A brown big thick leather bag. A big thick brown leather bag. Okay, now let's see the options. Okay, all the options starts with A, which indicates quantity. Okay, A, which means one. A indicates quantity. Okay, now after the quantity, the next thing we have is opinion. Okay, opinion after quantity. So let's look at the options. A brown is incorrect. Okay, so strike it off, because after A, what should come next is opinion. Okay, word that suggests opinion. Okay, strike it off. Option B, a thick big. Okay, now thick here is an opinion. Okay, thick is opinion. Okay, because something I can consider to be thick might not be considered by another person to be thick. Okay, so thick is opinion, is a word that suggests opinion. Thick follows the other. So option B, thick, okay, is likely going to be the correct answer because it follows the order. Okay, the adjectives order. Okay, option C, a brown is incorrect. After quantity, what you have is opinion and not color, so this is incorrect. Option D, a big is size. Big is size. So after quantity, what you have is opinion and not size. So option B is the correct answer. A thick, big, brown leather bag. A thick, big, brown leather bag. Okay, option B is the correct answer. Okay, so guys, that will be all for today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and get something. I'm sure you get something from it. Please, I need you guys to do something for me. Okay, I'm going to be leaving the link to my second YouTube channel in the comment section and in the description box. Please, I need you guys to visit the channel and subscribe to it. Okay, subscribe to the channel to help it grow. I've employed some teachers who are going to be bringing videos for you guys on the channel on every subject, and these teachers that I've employed, I'm going to pay them. Okay, please, I need you guys to support me. Okay, I need you guys to support me by clicking on the link that you see in the description box or in the comment section to subscribe to the channel. Okay, please, I need you guys to subscribe to the channel so that when these teachers start uploading videos, they will have audience to watch the videos. I trust you'll do that for me. Thank you very much and God bless you. Okay, please subscribe to my second YouTube channel. Thank you and bye.